Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to create these flowers. Okay, so I have one here and I just put it in the middle. It's just like a normal one, but I just want to put, you can change this so you don't have to put that, but because I just tried. Okay, so today let's get onto it, and I will be using my 2.5 millimeter hook. Okay, you can use whatever you want. Okay, and then you can use any color of yarn you like as well. Okay, so this one is cotton one, and this one is acrylic. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if whatever you're using, it will come out the same. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going to make a magic ring for this one. Okay, and after that we're going to chain 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and then wrap twice. Okay, we're going to do a triple crochet. Okay, so 1 2, okay, and then we're going to do another one. Okay, so we have 3 there, and now we are going to chain 4. Okay, and we are going to slip stitch into the magic ring. Okay, so as you can see, we have one of our petals. Okay, and we're going to make these 6. Okay, 6 times. Okay, so with this one we have 1 already, so we are going to repeat this 5 times. Okay, so chain 4, 1 2 3 4, wrap twice, make our triple crochet, twice, and then insert into the magic ring, and then make another triple crochet. Okay, and chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and then slip stitch into the magic ring. Okay, so that is our second one. Okay, chain 4, triple crochet, triple crochet, chain 4, and slip stitch. Okay, so we have 3. We still have to do our 3 more. Okay, so chain 4, triple crochet, triple crochet, chain 4, and slip stitch. Okay, so that's 4. We have 2 more left. Chain 4, triple crochet, triple crochet, slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch. It's not coming up. There you go. That's why it's twisted. Okay, so another one and the last one. 4 triple crochet, triple crochet, and chain 4 and then slip stitch. Okay, and then pull that, and we are going to pull this tail, okay, to close it off. Okay, and then we have to cut this off, okay, and pull this, okay, and you can just tie it up. Okay, so you have to pull this tight to close. Okay, so adjust it, and then if you're happy, then you just have to tie it up. Okay. Okay, so there you go, guys. It's very simple, so you can adjust as well. You can adjust if you want like a bigger one. Okay, so if you want a bigger one, and then you just have to do like bigger one, or you can go like in different way, but this is just the simple one, okay, the easy one and the small one. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.